Morning, chickens. The chickens are out. The rabbits are eating their food. They're looking at this. So, this was my cucumber, but unfortunately, since we had so much rain, look what has happened to the roots of the plant. It's actually dying. The water drowned out the roots. Stunner over here. What you see, Stunner? What you see? The trap went off. And look what's in here. A wood rat. I don't know if y'all can see him. Look, there he is. It's a wood rat. So he came over here to steal the food that was in there. I had a feeling something was gonna come, but he came. So we got him. And we're gonna go ahead and dispatch him and get back. Alright, we got him. He's been dispatched. Probably gonna see him, he's flopping around. Alright, Stunner. He alright. He finished. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get him out of there and set the trap again. Nah, this wasn't for you today, Stunner. This wasn't for you today. We'll go ahead and take him out the trap, reset it, because we're not searching for wood rats. We're searching for the rabbits. Stunner.